two spheres are separated by distance r, and the charge on one sphere is q1, charge on the other is q2. Now these two spheres are brought into contact with each other. So now we are bringing these two spheres into contact with each other. Then these two are identical unless otherwise stated. Then they are brought to the same distance. Center to center distance, same r distance. Now what will happen to the force? Whether it will be equal to the case 1 or whether is it going to be more or less. So that's what we are supposed to find out. When these two charges are separated by a distance r, let us try to write the force. So the force between them, F is equal to K q1 q2 by r square. Now when you bring these two into contact with each other, the total charge of the system is q1 plus q2. Because these two spheres are identical, half of the charge will go into this, which is q1 plus q2 by 2. Remaining half will go into this, which is also q1 plus q2 by 2. Hence, once you bring these two spheres into contact and then separate, charge on each of the sphere will be q1 plus q2 by 2 and then q1 plus q2 by 2. Then the new force between them, let us call it F prime, equal to K. Q1 here is q1 plus q2 by 2 into q1 plus q2 by 2 divided by r square. Same distance you are taking. Now you need to find out what the relation of F prime with F. So let us divide the second equation by first equation. Left hand side by left hand side. So this is K into q1 plus q2 by 2 whole square. So it is q1 plus q2 by 2 whole square by r square whole divided by K into q1 q2 by r square. K and K will be cancelled, r square will be cancelled. You will be left with q1 plus q2 by 2 whole square. So it is 1 by 4 into q1 plus q2 whole square is q1 square plus q2 square plus 2 q1 q2 whole divided by q1 q2. Now let us try to analyze. We'll be getting into simple mathematics now. So q1 square plus q2 square plus 2 q1 q2 whole divided by 4 q1 q2. Now if you divide it, q1 square by 4 q1 q2 plus q2 square divided by 4 q1 q2 plus 2 q1 q2 by 4 q1 q2. So I'm just trying this 2 times, and q1 and then q2 will be cancelled. So it is q1 by 4 q2 plus q2 by 4 q1, and this is equal to plus 1 by 2. Let us take 1 by 4 common. If you take 1 by 4 common, actually it is very simple. Even in that step you can say that, but for our understanding we are doing it. q1 by q2 plus q2 by q1 plus it is 1 by 8. Sorry, it is not 1 by 8, so it is 4 by 4, so it is 2. So it is 2. When you actually add a number q1 by q2 and its reciprocal q2 by q1, which is always greater than 1, and hence f prime by f, which is always greater than 1, because suppose a number is n and another number, its reciprocal will be 1 by n, then 1 plus 1 by n, actually n plus 1 by n is equal to, which is n square plus 1. They said both q1 and q2 are what? Positive. So if you take q1 by q2 as n, this is 1 by n, the sum of these two will be n square plus n. There is additional plus 2, which is also greater. When you take all that, this is not a decimal number, this will whole value will be greater than 1. Hence, F prime by F is greater than 1, which implies F prime is greater than F. When two positive charges are brought into contact and separated to a same distance, then the new force will always be greater than the old force.